Okay, okay. I
Thanks,
totally
bro.
forgot. So okay, let me just repeat the concepts very quickly, then we'll move on. No problem. The first concept, Sami, we discussed was difference between lakhs, crores, and million. Tell me how 10 million is how many lakhs? In the
10
meantime,
million, right?
others, please calculate the equity value. Huh? While I'm recording,
1 million equals to like 100 crores. Is it correct?
that is absolutely incorrect.
1 million equals to 1 crore. Sorry, 1 million is equal to 1 crore.
No, incorrect.
So,
Incorrect.
yeah. So in US they call it 1 million, but in India we call it in lakhs. Uh, I'm like a bit confused over there.
No problem. No problem. I'll tell. That's what I was expecting somebody to say, that they have a slight doubt about that. So that's why I brought this up. But okay, 1 crore has 7 zeros in it. 1 crore has 7 zeros in it. 1 million has six
Mm.
zeros in it, and 1 lakh has 5 zeros in it. You can remember it like that. I'll repeat that once more. Huh? 1 crore has 7 zeros. 1 million has six zeros. 1 lakh has 5 zeros. So 5, 6, 7. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, so you
In
mean it
that
is
way,
10 lakhs. 1
yes,
million means
one
you're saying it's
crore.
10 lakhs.
One, no, 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 no. Yes, yes, you're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. So 1 crore is 10 million. 1 million is 10 lakhs. You're absolutely right.
Mm.
And you can actually think about it. 1 crore will be 10 million, like we said, and 10 million will be 100 lakhs, right?
Right.
Yes. So that's what is the relationship among million, crore, and lakhs. Just have that in mind, because we might this question has that in this in the solution. So that's what I wanted to address. The other thing that we discussed was, suppose you have in a case debt interest, okay, debenture interest you are paying for 100 rupees, and your interest rate is 10%. You are paying debenture interest of 100 rupees. Your interest rate is 10%. Can you tell me what is the value of debt?
So like 100 rupees means if you're adding interest, if you're adding like 10% of rate for the interest, then it is 100 into 10%.
No, I told interest you are paying is 100 rupees. Your
Mm-hmm.
interest rate is 10%. What is the value of debt?
100 by 10%.
Yes, that comes to
10.
no, no, no. 100 by 10% comes to
0.11. Sorry, 1.
no. 100 by 10%. Do that calculation the somewhere, no, calculator or maybe Excel.
0.01, right?
No,
10%.
no. 100
No,
by 10%.
10. 1,000.
1,000 is the correct answer. Absolutely. Awesome. Now, if I give the similar example, suppose you have a net income of 200 rupees, and you have cost of equity of 5%. Exactly in the similar way. Net income is 200 rupees. Your cost of equity is 5%. How much should be the value of equity?
So 200 divided by 5%.
That is correct. That comes to, sorry,
4,000.
4,000 is the correct answer. Now, exactly in the similar way, I'll give you one more example. EBIT, earning before interest and tax, is 300 rupees. Your weighted average cost of capital is 6%. How much should be the value of the firm?
Five thousand.
Sorry?
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer. Now there is another way of calculating the value of the firm. Can you look at it, these three examples, and tell me there is another way of calculating this 5,000? What is that?
Um, Another way in sense means the same like value of the firm only we need to calculate.
Yes.
But the thing is, with help of interest, no, means without having rate, if you are having only interest and you mentioned equity value, then we can calculate it.
No, there is one more simpler way. Can you look at it? Value of debt was how much? 1,000, right? Value of equity is how much? 4,000, right?
4,000.
Add
Right.
them together, it comes to
5,000.
5,000, right? So debt plus equity equals your value of firm. Okay. Now, so basically what we found was there are two ways of calculating value of the firm. One is just you total the debt and equity. Other way is to go by earning before interest and tax divided by the WACC. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Now what we were discussing was we read through the question where we had ABC company, this 15 course, just read through it, and we are trying to find out the value of equity as of now. We'll go from there. There are some other calculations also, but we'll go from value of equity. Anybody who has got it already? Or
Dheeraj, what is the net income here?
you will have to calculate, no? Can you see this table? The one that I have highlighted?
Yes.
When the EBIT is given and you have the interest, you have the tax, you can calculate the net income, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah. Go from there.
I got a very big value.
How much?
Yeah, Dheeraj by
Please.
30 crores something. I got net income by 4.75 crore minus 10% of 15 crore and then divided by 15%.
Yeah, even I tried those. I got 21 crore 66 lakhs.
21.66 is the correct answer. How much you got, Aswati?
I got 30.66 crores.
How much did your interest come to in amount?
Interest 15 lakhs.
15, no, 1.5.
No, it's 1.5 crore actually.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just be
yeah,
very
yeah.
careful. That's why I introduced that concept, no? We tend to make that mistake when we are dealing with the whole number thing. That's why we just keep that in mind. We tend to make mistakes there. I think that would solve your thingy. Anybody else who got the answer, or anybody who is stuck at some point?
Yeah. So even WACC is done.
Oh, great. How much, sir? I have not introduced that yet. Yeah.
Okay. No, let them do it.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's
so cost of So this equity and others are done.
Perfect. Yeah. You can go about. Have you calculated the other one, revised one?
Yeah.
Oh, great. You can go for the next one then. Next paragraph.
25.66.
No. What is 25.66?
Equity, cost of equity. Sorry, PAT, you are saying 385.
PAT is 385 is correct answer. Yes.
EBT
I have calculated the cost of equity, equity I have calculated, that's why.
Okay. Cost of equity.
Equity should be 25 crores, right? 25.66 crores.
No. It should be 27.50.
14%, no? We have to
Yes.
take not 15%.
So 385 divided by 14%, right?
14%.
Yeah. It
comes. Sorry, 15. Okay. My bad.
No problem. It happens.
Yeah. 275. Yes.
Perfect. Yeah.
You can copy paste is a big problem.
Yeah. You can go for the next paragraph, sir. Others, are you stuck somewhere? Sami, you were asking something, please.
Yeah. Can we just repeat the one which you explained, because it was not recorded, right? ABC company.
Which
one?
one?
You can just repeat. 15 crores.
Wait, no. I just read out the question. All the information are given in the question only. The rest part, no. I've just read out the question. You can read it out. It's right there, no?
Okay.
Everything is there in that paragraph only.
So 15 crores is the capital structure, and 10% it cost of 10%. The cost of equity is 15%. So for 15 crores, it is 15%. Is the EBIT.
15 crores, 15% EBIT. No, what it is?
EBIT is rupees 4.75. So 4.75. Okay, so EBIT is 4.75 crores initially at the rate of 15%, right? Cost of equity.
Cost of equity is 15%. You're saying EBIT is 4.75. and you were saying with that, you said something else along with it.
Yeah, the thing is like where to start. Like I'm not sure like how to start.
No,
with
no
this.
problem, no problem. You know this calculation, right? I think you would be familiar. EBIT, you will deduct the interest.
Yeah,
Calculate the EBT.
yeah, last problem we did, right?
Yes, that is
Last
absolutely correct.
activity.
Now here we are just finding as of now what is the value of equity. That's all. Okay. In order to calculate the value of equity, what we did here, you remember this one, net income divided by cost of equity, right? Right, that's what we do. In the WSLC also we have discussed it. Net income divided by cost of equity. Do you have the cost of equity right now?
No, we don't have.
We,
The
we have,
percentage.
we have. You have not read through the paragraph yet. The second line itself says, no, the cost of equity is 15%. Can you see this?
15% of 15 crores.
No. Hold on a second. Let's just discuss first. Okay. You have cost of equity at least. Okay. You have to calculate the value of equity right now. One value you have. Other value is net income, right? Do you have net income anywhere?
The company has 15 crores in capital structure. That's the net income.
Sorry. Come again.
Net income we need to calculate, right? We don't have it at present.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. Do you have all the information to calculate the net income? That's my second question.
Yeah, I think we
Go
do
ahead.
have.
Go ahead and calculate and tell me what is your net income, please. Others, did you get the answers? If you have, then the next question I have for you is, what is the value of the firm?
Dheeraj, I'm having some problems. Can you please repeat?
No problem. Yeah. Have you calculated the EBT? That is
Net income,
your
no.
net income. You have not. What is your EBIT? EBIT.
It is 4.75 crores.
Perfect. What is the interest amount?
1.5 crores.
Perfect. So like we did here, no, EBIT minus interest is EBT, right?
So we're getting 4.6 crores as EBT.
No. 4.6 how? So 4.75 minus 1.5.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So just be very careful about that. That's why I introduced that only. Lakhs, crores, no, we get to confuse that and make mistakes there.
I was writing the full version with all the zeros, but still I made a mistake.
Got it. Yeah, no problem.
So it is 3.25 crores, right?
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. 3.25
EBT?
is the correct answer. Yes. So now that we don't have any tax, that is also our net income, right? Had we had tax there, we would have deducted tax, then we would have calculated the net income.
Right.
Now that we